And there we go. This is the crossing.
Is it just there, is it?
That's doable, but there's big gonnies in it. The current in here is fierce. Have you guys finished lunch?
Yep. Is that the way? I thought that was
not, but it's one way. That's the way.
Oh well. See if Barb makes it. Doing well. There we go. Excellent. Great work. And Lana, there's some ice. Have you chucked some pebbles on there already, have you? You going to throw another one? Go on, throw rock. Woohoo! Have you touched it yet? Honey, touch it. I'm taking a video here. That's it. What do you think? What's it like? Is it cold? Honey, what are you doing?
Cold.
It's cold. Okay.